Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: your enrollment number, a valid ID, and an active email so DU can contact you. Once done, log into the DU student portal immediately and open the transcripts or documents section. This gets you to the live form without delay. Make sure scanned files meet size and format rules, and that you know how many copies and the delivery address, because entering those correctly now prevents corrections later. Now focus on the detailed inputs. Fill your name and enrollment exactly as on university records, because mismatches delay processing. Next, select the transcript type and number of copies and pick delivery or pickup. These choices affect fee and timing. Then upload the request form, scanned ID, and either attach an online payment confirmation or pay via the portal. Once uploaded, review every field, then submit so the university can generate your request without avoidable errors. After submission, save the confirmation number and payment receipt and note the expected processing time. You will need these to track progress. When you receive the transcript, inspect name, enrollment, grades, and dates right away. If anything is wrong, request a correction immediately to avoid further delays. If processing stalls or the courier fails, contact the DU nodal officer with your reference number and receipts and escalate within the university while keeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.